traders. As the weeks go on, our FX contests are becoming more popular. We have approximately 1,250 Trader Contest members and almost 250 Strategy Contest members. Now, the scalper has been with us for a year already and finished in the top 10 in December. So let's hear now about his trading strategy.
A trading strategy is basically to look out for supply-demand imbalances for a particular instrument in market at various price levels. Second, I'd enter a trade where risk to reward ratio is at least 1:2 or 1:3. I trade only two pairs, Euro USD and Pound USD. I don't trade Japanese crosses. Looking forward for next week, I would be looking at two events: German economic sentiments and existing home sales, where market volatility will be there and making around 80 to 90 pips would be much easier.
Well, let's now concentrate on this week's best trades. Shimon, 87 from Austria, went short on the US dollar Mexican peso. He could have had a better entry and exit. Nevertheless, he made a nice profit of 837 pips. Now, this next trader from India went long on the Hong Kong dollar Japanese yen. The position was open nicely and the take profit was reached the same day, making him a cool 782 pips. If he set his take profit slightly higher and waited roughly another 2 hours, the profit would have been more. Armans from Latvia opened a buy position on the pound yen. He created a delayed order and 10 minutes later he was on his way to profiting a very nice 364 pips. The price went in the desired direction and the position was closed when the take profit set of 144 was reached. Alex KZ from Kazakhstan also opened a buy position, but this one was on the euro dollar. He set a tight stop loss, and when it was triggered, he gained a significant 211 pips. So to finish off, let's take a look at who's been moving and shaking their way up and down the scoreboard this week. Algalvi is our top mover. He sat in 8th place last week, but this week sits in 96th place. Not far behind him is Winner 2011, declining 76 places. Perhaps a luckier name might be Winner 2013. Now, on a more positive note, our top two advancers are up 60 and 54 places respectively. Well, traders, that's it for this edition of the Contest Checkup, but we have plenty of daily interviews and economic news releases to keep you informed about the currency markets. Good luck with your trades and goodbye for now.